Hi everyone, good afternoon, good morning here from KSA, Hasa, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And this is Pinoy Hasawi once again. This is just a quick update here. And I wanna give you an update here in KSA, especially here in Hasa, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Now, this is day 5 of Sandstorm here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So kung makikita natin along the road while I am driving, still there is like smoke, but actually that's not the smoke, that is dust. So now just a slight, not or unlike 3 days ago that it is so thick dust, makapal ang dust before 3 days ago, and today it's quite a little dust, but still we can see in front of this camera still there is like smoke or still like foggy. But that is not fog, that is dust. So this is just only a quick update here. So after this sandstorm, papasok na yung mas mataas na temperatura ng init dito, because it is going to the peak of the summer here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Alright guys, so I hope you gain little information here. So tuloy-tuloy ito. Now it is already day 5, pang-5 araw na ito na sandstorm that covers overall the area of eastern region, and part of the eastern region is Hasa. Alright guys, thank you for watching this quick update. And while I am driving, going to my work now with my colleagues. So see if you can see here in front of my camera in an open space. So sandstorm is still visible. And even you're inside your home, so papasok pa rin doon yung alikabok. Alright guys, so if you can see in my left side, there are plants of dates, but still there is too much dust. And in my right side here there is mall, and this mall is Al Rasid Mall. Alright, so guys, thank you. And here in front of me there is Toy Town. This is for children's play building, playground. Actually this is what you call this one, an indoor playground. Alright, so here right before me still there is some establishment. Alright, and now I'm gonna turn it left side. Okay, now in front of me there is some establishment side by side, and there is our clients here, the Moonlight Restaurant, you can see in this building. And in front of me there is Jarir, alright, Jarir bookstore. And this is equivalent or like in the Philippines, that is like National Bookstore. And there is a Dammam, and in my right side there is Dammam market. So a lot of establishments here and markets in this area. And this area we call it Mahasen area. Okay, so here in my right side, while I'm stopping, there is Dammam market here, and in my left side there is Dammam. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. This is Pinoy Hasawi. This is just a quick update here, day 5 of Sandstorm. Thank you, guys. Good afternoon and good morning here in Saudi Arabia. Bye bye for now. God bless you all. Please take care. Bye bye.